Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morvan. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a bind-off with purl stitches. This is a variant of traditional bind-off, but with purl stitches. So, and this how it looks on the ready item. So these little knots, it's how purl stitches look from the right side, and this braid is the opposite side, the knit side of the work, I would say. I use it usually as a decorative feature, and let's see how it's being made. So we have a fabric that we need to bind off. Let's purl the first stitch, and having our yarn on front, return the stitch on the left needle. And then let's purl together first two stitches. With yarn on front, return the stitch to the left needle, purl together next. As in any traditional bind-off, you could use the right needle of a slightly bigger size to prevent from tight edging, or you can just work attentively and do not over tighten your edge. Some more to go. And that's how it looks. The knots and the braid. The braid is like on top and on back, like in the middle. Thanks for watching me. I wish you a great day. Follow my channel. Goodbye.